What's happening with the new short-term vacation rental law here on the island? Also, how's the market since the election? And whatever happened with the insurance crisis that was plaguing all of the HOA condominiums here on the island? I've got answers for those and a lot more coming up next. Hi everyone, I'm Dan Palomino with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. And in this month's market update, we're going to answer all of those questions and a little bit more. Let's get to the first one that's gotten a lot of talk as of late, and that is the new short-term vacation rental laws that were being discussed by the county council. Well, I'm happy to say for now that it's dead. Yeah, they had like 6 drafts of this bill, and they kept trying to make it feasible and make some changes to the short-term vacation rental laws, but there was just ultimately too much pushback, and they were really probably afraid that they were going to get sued for infringing on people's property rights. And so for now, they've scrapped the bill. Now, that doesn't mean they're not going to come back and take another try at a later date. But for now, all of the same short-term vacation laws that have been in place for the last several years are still there. And so I think you can feel confident going forward and thinking about purchasing that short-term vacation rental. The HOA insurance crisis, I should say, hit the island pretty hard this year when all of these HOA associations for the condos got their renewals. And you heard the stories that some of these premiums went up anywhere between 200% and 900%, and that was all true. Well, I think we're through the worst of it. I mean, all of the condominium associations got their renewals. Some of them handled it well and some of them didn't. Some of them had the reserves to take care of it. Others had to do special assessments. Others had to do increase in monthly fees. But I think, like I said, we're through the worst of it. That's not to say there couldn't be a slight increase in 2025. I think there could, but again, I think for the most part, the crisis is over. If you are thinking about buying a condo here on the island, make sure you have your agent check with that HOA to find out if they got their renewal and how much those dues are going to be in 2025. The market since the election, well, it's been actually really good. We've had a lot of sales going on, and we start to see some of that condo inventory that had built up, starting to see that come off the board. That doesn't mean that condos are losing value. They have dropped a little bit in price because we have had a lot of inventory, but not a lot. We are not seeing that on the single family home side. We're not seeing a reduction in price. In fact, we're seeing, quite the appreciation in specific parts, up by 10 or 11% since last year. Lastly, we've got some great listings that I would love for you to check out at thehawaiiteam.com. These are our listings that we're featuring. The first one is on Hilo Street in Kona Hills Estates. It's a 2020 build, relatively new, beautiful home, priced at $1,945,000 with an ocean view. We also have a cacao and lychee farm over on the Hilo side that we just dropped by $1 million. That's right, we dropped it from $3.8 million to $2.8 million. This is an incredible buy with a home, lots of farm equipment included, pool on 12 acres, and growing all kinds of crops. So check it out on thehawaiiteam.com. We've got a new construction home for sale, brand new, no one's lived in it, 4-bedroom on a corner lot in a brand new development by Stanford Carr called Ali'i Cottages down on Ali'i Drive. That one's priced at $1,245,000. If you're looking for that beautiful premier trophy condo, check out our Kolea Kai listing, 13C, penthouse, big ocean views, almost $200,000 worth of artwork. Check it out at thehawaiiteam.com. Brand new listing just came up in Kulalani. If you're familiar with the Monolani Resort, Kulalani is another Stanford Carr development. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, about 1,300 square feet. Lots of nice upgrades, appliances, flooring, carpet. Check that one out. And then one of our trophy homes in Kahakai Estates, big views, 180-degree views of the ocean, pool, ohana, cherry wood floors, top of the line finishes on Akoa Street. That one's priced at $3.5 million. All right, as always, if we can help you buy, sell, or invest in real estate, contact us here at the Hawaii Team. Or if you're coming for a visit over the holidays and we want to play some golf or pickleball, give me a call. I always pick up the phone. I look forward to hearing from you. Mele kalikimaka and Happy New Year. Aloha, everyone.